Afreda S6. Although electric scooters are becoming extremely popular, the things are still just a little too unstable for some people. The Afreda S6 was designed with such forks in mind, as it features two front wheels that independently tilt into turns, plus it can be folded up when not in use. The two front wheels incorporate a spring-loaded linkage mechanism which allows each of them to tilt up to 40 degrees relative to the frame when taking corners, reducing the chances of tipping over. That linkage also acts as a sort of front suspension, as each wheel can independently move straight up and down by as much as 11 inches, 279 millimeters, when traversing uneven terrain. Display 2-in-1 projector. Display easily transforms between the largest portable display and the only ultra-short throw Pico projector. Made from patent-granted technology, including the world's only display material that fully expands and folds in all directions. Display is your flexible companion for busy work days, fun adventure days, and more. Display doubles up both as an expandable display with an awesome 24.5-inch diagonal screen size, and also as a fully portable projector with an ultra-short throw range and bright, FHD, 1920x1080 quality. You get two game-changing products in one portable package. Display isn't just a portable projector, it also doubles up as a full portable screen compatible with your smartphone, laptop, or gaming device. TreSound 1. TreSound 1 is designed for the modern people of this century who live a fast-paced lifestyle. Simultaneously, it allows them to find a place to relax and enjoy soothing music. Projector aims to provide a peaceful, enjoyable experience at home, eliminating the stresses people have and refreshing your tranquil mood through its hi-fi sound. There are two 1.25 silk film neodymium magnetic tweeters and two 2.25 double neodymium magnetic full-range speakers, which are made by Projector to produce 360-degree surround sound. These speakers have been greatly improved compared to ordinary tweeters and can be extended to 20 kHz plus 3 decibels based on the hi-fi standards to achieve pinpoint imaging accuracy with extraordinary detail that delivers pure, natural, and layered sound. The metal mesh outside the mid-range and treble speakers is like sheet music. The wood base outside the woofer is coated with premium piano paint. When these seamless combinations play music, just imagine a piano artist playing live for you. Asus Purego. The Asus Purego fruit and vegetable cleanliness detector brings laboratory standard food safety testing equipment into your kitchen. This stylish, easy-to-use device tells you quickly whether your fruit and vegetables are clean and safe. It accurately detects any impurities in the washing water, including pesticides and other pollutants, saving time, saving water, and protecting your family's health. The beautiful design is easy to hold, and it features safe and convenient wireless charging. Purego starts working automatically as soon as it's dropped in the water. When Purego is connected to the special mobile app, it monitors and stores the entire food washing process automatically, helping you to improve the way you wash your food. You can even share results with your friends or family. Nitecore Portable AC. Make summer more comfortable with the Nitecore Portable Air Conditioner. Whether you're camping or playing sports outdoors, this gadget provides up to 2,550 BTU of impressive cooling power. In fact, this whopping horsepower ensures it can reduce your tense temperature to 18 degrees Celsius in only 10 minutes. This is also thanks to its dual hose system. Moreover, the Nitecore AC has a super compact, portable size to go with you anywhere. Furthermore, it requires low power consumption while also offering circuit protection and high cooling efficiency. With an all-in-one design, This installation-free gadget has a convenient grip and makes only 50 decibels of noise for overall quiet operation. Nitecore is a brand with 15 years of experience in outdoor equipment, and its portable air conditioner weighs only about 10 kilograms. Use it at the park or while traveling, camping, picnicking, and more.